Hey guys, my name is Shivich and welcome to my channel TechNot. So guys, for today's video, I'll be telling you about the Samsung's all new, brand new smartphone, which is the Samsung Galaxy F62. And when this phone was launched and when I heard its main specs, I knew that this phone would be a great hit in the Indian market. But you may be wondering that why this phone is so special. Because it has the 9825 Exynos processor, which is a flagship processor, and then we also have a 7000 mAh battery. So guys, without wasting any time, let's talk about its specifications and all other features which this Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone has in it. So first of all, coming to the processor, the Exynos 9825 processor, which is a flagship processor, and you'll find this processor in Samsung's Note 10 series. This processor gives amazing performance and you can play games without any lag. And one strong reason that I can give you to consider this phone is because of the processor. And I think under this price budget, this is the best processor a smartphone can have in it. So this smartphone also has a basic Samsung quad camera setup in which we have a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens, a 5 megapixel depth lens and a 5 megapixel macro lens. Talking about the storage and RAM, so this phone is available in two variants in which we have a 6GB RAM with 128GB internal storage and the second one is with an 8GB RAM with 128GB internal storage. So now coming to the battery, the beast battery of 7000 mAh in this smartphone. This smartphone with a beast battery capacity of 7000 mAh can give you a battery backup of around 2 days. And the battery backup in a smartphone becomes much better if it has a good processor in it. And we've seen it that this phone has a flagship processor in it, so you'll get a very good battery backup in this smartphone. This smartphone has a 25-watt fast charger and it also comes with reverse charging. That means with your smartphone you can charge someone else's smartphone too. And now coming to the display of the smartphone, so this smartphone has a 6.7-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED Plus Infinity display and this smartphone gives you a 60Hz refresh rate. Coming to the operating system, so this smartphone is based on the Android 11 operating system and it is also based on the Samsung's One UI 3.1 software. A lot of things can be done with the interface of the smartphone if you have the One UI 3.1 software. And if coming to the other features of the smartphone, so this smartphone has a weight of 218 grams, which is obviously very much due to the 7000 mAh battery in the smartphone. And then it is available in three colors. It is available in laser colors, which are the laser green, the laser grey and the laser blue. It is also secured by Knox Security and it also has the single take feature in the camera. And this phone is Gorilla Glass protected. And it has a very appealing and a very attractive design in its back, which is known as the laser gradient design. So now at last, talking about the price of the smartphone, which you've all been waiting for. So the price of the smartphone starts from rupees 23,999 only. And I think this is the best smartphone which you could get under this budget with the flagship processor and a 7000 mAh battery. And at last, I would like to say that if you want a smartphone under this budget, means from a budget of rupees 20,000 to rupees 25,000 or 30,000, then this smartphone is a very great deal and you should consider this smartphone. And Samsung keeps taking out these type of budget smartphones, so if you want reviews on those smartphones also, then please subscribe to the channel. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and also share the video to your family and friends, and also comment down below the favorite part of your video and the favorite part of the smartphone.